Hey, what is up guys? It has been a minute. We are going to do a foundation routine on my face. First thing you're going to do is wipe off the crap. This is the point where you want to get rid of any makeup that was on your face. And this is optional. You can use Elmer's glue. It helps get rid of the blackheads or dead skin. Makes your skin really soft. And it's super cheap. So if you want to save some money, do that. Now this is a moisturizer, Cetaphil. I'm sure everybody's heard of it. It's from the drugstore. I use it as a moisturizer and I just put it all over my face. It smells just like sunscreen, which I secretly like that smell. But you want it to be sticky and tacky because your foundation will hold better if you do it that way. And now moving on to the foundation. This is Fenty and I'm putting it weirdly on my face, and Isaac seems to like the smell too. Yeah. But anyway, you can use a beauty blender to apply the foundation, put some setting spray on it, and dab, dab, dab. But we ain't getting on top of that. So we're gonna put this brush into good use, and we're going to apply the foundation. Not gonna really brush it in. We're kind of doing a little bit of dapping motions. And then we're going to kind of like blend it in later on with the beauty blender. See? Right there. Yeah. You have to do this part. Otherwise, it's going to leave some really bad streaks on your face. But hey, we're going to continue on and try not to be weird. Okay. Now we're going to add some concealer, and that is the Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm putting it under my dark circles, my chin, and on my forehead. I made boobies. And there's Isaac again. He's so fascinated with my makeup. He loves to smell my makeup, especially foundation and concealer. But moving on, we're going to dab under the eyes and under the nose a little bit, and on the chin, and especially on the forehead. Now this is Airspun Loose Powder, and this is the translucent shade. And I'm going to be applying it 2 times. I'm going to be doing a little bit of small powder all over the face so there's no creasing. It kind of helps with the foundation in case, if I did miss a spot. It doesn't taste good, so don't try and eat it. And now right here, I'm going to be dabbing a little bit more to kind of bake it. It's that baking effect or whatever. And now we're going to add a tiny box of Hoola on my face. This is a bronzer. And we're going to contour the cheeks and on the forehead. And I think that's it. I honestly don't apply bronzer on my nose. I don't want my nose to be any smaller than it is. And so we're going to skip that part. But if you feel like you have a big nose and you want to contour it, do it. I'm not going to stop you. And so we're going to keep going and contouring and singing Celine Dion. And now we're going to highlight. That is a Anastasia highlighter, the shade Summer, I believe. And I am shook. And now we're adding a Tarte blush. It's called Party. It has 3 A's in it. Now we're wiping off that excess powder because we don't need that anymore. This is optional. If you want to have like a nice line on your face for the blush, do so. But anyway, you can stop at this point and you're done. I hope you liked this video. Bye.